Okay, here we are.
Okay, Ranger Amy, I have to ask, where are we?
This place looks absolutely wild.
You wanted to know how the water gets into the aquifer.
So is this another spring?
This is a cypress dome. Think of it as a giant water filtration system.
Cypress Dome. Cypress Dome. Cypress Dome. Cypress Dome. I like saying that word. Wait, so how does the water get filtered?
This is a low area, so rainwater collects here and it very slowly works its way through the ground.
Oh, I get it. So water that goes into parking lots or falls off the leaves collects here, goes into the aquifer and gets filtered. Guys, it's like a giant water filtration system.
Seriously? Welcome to the conversation.
What do you mean? I've been here.
So Chase, you want to check the water temperature?
Great idea. Here, let me help.
No, I'm good. I'll stick to springs. In my younger days, I used to be pretty good with a net. One time, I caught a leopard frog. Part leopard, part frog. Makes for a pretty fast frog. Oh, right here. Here looks like a good spot.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
See him right there?
Where? Oh, yeah, I see it.
Crawdads. See that right there?
Yeah. They're pretty big.
Yeah, he's like that big.
So what did you find?
Well, we found one of these things.
Oh, great. That's a crayfish. Those are very common at the Cypress Dome, but totally different from what you'll find at the spring. So, are you ready to do some real spring hunting?
Yeah.